guys, welcome back from our EatSleepYangon channel. I'm host Yoon. Firstly, I would like to shout out Marcus Su, who is the advanced member of our EatSleepYangon membership channel, and thank you for supporting us to make better videos. Now I'm at the 43rd Street of downtown Yangon, and today I will explore around this area. So come along with me, guys. Now I found this shan noodle shop in here, so let's try. Here, this is my order, and I ordered this deep fried dumpling with pork. And this is central E, and this is our traditional way of sake. Yeah, non-alcoholic beverage. So let's try this first. This is pork inside. So this is so good. This one is crunchy, but and the meat is so soft, but it includes a little bit of meat, like here. Here you see this is rice. It combines with rice and lime. It's so refreshing. The taste is a little bit sour and sweet. Yeah, at the same time, I feel like sour and sweet taste. Yeah, I really like this drinks. In Shan State, they normally make with this drink with fermented rice to get alcoholic flavor, so we can drink. But in this style, they have no alcoholic taste, so this is like a mocktail, and it costs 1,000 Myanmar, which is 50 cents, and this dumpling is 2,500 Myanmar, so it is $1. So yeah, $1. မဟုတ်ဘယ်လိုရောင်းလဲ Here now I bought this palmy pancake which is called pay mode. The smell is so good. Here, palmy pancake with jaggery and inside is peanut. On top there is coconut flavor. The taste is a little bit sweet. I think because of jaggery. I like this taste because it's not too sweet and not too oily. Yeah, that's why I like it. The price of one piece is 300 Myanmar, so it is over 10 cents. Oh, I found a yogurt shot. So let's try this. Tinh chế nhá. Tinh chế tất khoa lắm.
Tinh chế nó.
Here now I bought this yogurt drinks. Yogurt is good for your health and it is good for your digestive system and good for our skin too. The taste is a little bit sour. I ordered this yogurt drink with sugar liquid, but you can choose jaggery juice. It's good. The price is 1,200 Myanmar, so it is 60 cents.